Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how to transfer money from Mercari to Cash App. So if you want to move your earnings from Mercari to Cash App, guys, okay, look. While Mercari doesn't support direct transfers to Cash App, you can still get your funds moved with a few simple steps, guys. So I'm going to show you how you can do that exactly. So first things first, we're going to do is you want to set up a bank account on Mercari. So open the Mercari app, go to your profile, and select settings. And then under payment options, you want to link your bank account by providing the necessary details. And then what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be transferring you transfer your earnings from Mercari to bank account. So basically, once your bank account is set up, you want to request a withdrawal of your Mercari earnings, navigate to the balance tab, all right, and select cash out and choose your linked bank account. Standard transfers take a few days, but for a small fee, guys, you can actually use the instant pay option. So next, what you'll be doing, guys, you want to link your bank account to Cash App if you have not done this already. So now you want to just open up Cash App and go to your banking tab and select add a bank account and enter the same bank account, guys. Okay, the same one whose details you have used on Mercari. And then, guys, once the funds are actually in your bank account, what you want to do is you want to transfer them to Cash App. Just tap on Add Cash in the Cash App, select the amount you want to add, and just confirm the transaction, guys. And I'm going to give you an alternative option as a bonus. If you've actually linked a debit card to both Mercari and Cash App, you can use it also for faster transfers. Just cash out from Mercari to your debit card, and then immediately add funds to your Cash App using the same card. Anyways, guys, it is that easy and simple. And with these steps, guys, your Mercari earnings can easily find their way into your Cash App balance. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, guys, smash that like button. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.